Welcome back to MaamCee TV. For today's video, we are going to talk about rounding off for Math 4 Quarter 1, Week 2. Learning Objective. At the end of this video lesson, you are expected to round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Before we start our discussion, let's try to answer this. Identify the place value of the underlined digit in the following numbers. First, and next, next, and then, and last but not the least, tingnan ang nasa larawan. Ano ang iyong nakikita? Tama, ito ay isang mapa at ang batang ito ay si Clyde. Siya ay pupunta sa kanyang paaralan. Now, the distance of Clyde's house to school is 465 meters. About how many hundred meters farther is his house from the school? Kapag sinabi nating about how many, ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang estimated number. Now, paano natin makukuha ang estimated number ng 465? Tayo ay mag-round off. What is rounding off? Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Ibig sabihin, hahanap tayo ng number na mas malapit sa ibinigay na number. Para mahanap natin ang estimated 100 meters ng distance ng bahay ni Clyde sa paaralan, tayo ay guguhit ng number line na may dalawang endpoint na 400 at 500. Ito ay may midway o ang gitna na 450. Ngayon, hahanapin na natin kung nasaan dito sa number line ang 465, which is ay nandito sa pagitan ng 460 at 470. Now, kung titingnan, ang 465 ay mas mahaba sa gitna ng 450 at mas malapit sa 500. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-estimate tayo or nag-round off ng 465 to the nearest hundreds, ang kukunin natin ay yung mas malapit dito, which is ang 500. Hence, the estimated distance of Clyde's house to school is 500 meters. Here is another example. Linda bought 24,649 lemons to make lemonade for a birthday party. If this number is rounded to the nearest 10,000s, about how many lemons did Linda buy? So, about how many ulit tayo? So, magra-round off tayo. But take note, malaki na ang ating hahanapin, which is 10,000s. So, what are we going to do? Bukod sa paggamit o pag-draw ng number line, there's another way para makapag-estimate or makapag-round off tayo ng number. Sundin lamang ang steps na ito. So, in rounding numbers, identify first the rounding digit. Then, look at the right digit of the rounding number. So, sa given number kanina, meron tayong 24,649. So, sabi, identify first the rounding digit. Alin ba ang i-round off natin dito? Tama ang 2. Then, titingnan natin ang katabing number nito, which is 4. Next is, if the number at the right of the rounding digit is less than 5, o sabing kapag ang katabi daw ng ating i-round off ay mas mababa sa 5 o ang mga numbers na 0, 1, 2, 3, at 4, retain the digit in the rounding place and replace all the digits to its right with zeros. Kapag sinabi nating retain, ang ibig sabihin ay wala tayong babaguhin, kokopyahin lang natin yung number. At kapag sinabi naman nating replace all, lahat ng number o katabi na number ng nila-round off natin ay papalitan natin ng zeros. Itong process na ito ay pwede din nating tawagin na round down. So, sa number na i-round off natin na 24,649, kanina na-identify natin na ang i-round off natin ay 2 at ang katabi nito ay 4. Ngayon, ang 4 ba ay mas malaki o mas mababa sa 5? Tama, ito ay mas mababa sa 5 kaya tayo ay mag-round down. So, sabi dito, kokopyahin lang natin ang digit na i-round off, which is 2. So, isulat na natin dito ang 2 at papalitan natin ang lahat ng digit sa 0. So, ang 4, 6, 4, at 9 ay papalitan natin ng 0. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 24,649 rounded off to the nearest 10,000, the answer is 20,000. Here is another example. 36,123 rounded off to the nearest 10,000. What is the answer? So, same thing lang din ang gagawin. First, identify first the rounding digit, which is 3, since ang 3 ay nasa 10,000's place. And then, look at the right digit of the rounding number, which is, ano ba ang katabi ng 3? Tama, it's 6. Now, ang 6 ba ay mas mababa sa 5? Oh no! Mas mataas ito sa 5. So, what are we going to do? We are going to round up. Ano nga ba ang round up? Magra-round up tayo if the number at the right of the rounding digit is 5 or greater than 5. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang katabi daw ng i-round off nating number ay 5 o mas mataas sa 5 o ang mga number na 6, 7, 8, and 9, ang gagawin natin ay add 1 to the digit in the rounding place and replace all the digits to its right with zeros. Add 1. So, magpa-plus 1 tayo sa rounding digit. So, ang rounding digit natin ay 3, plus 1 ay magiging 4. Then, replace all the digits to its right with zeros. So, papalitan natin ang 6, 1, 2, 3 ng 4 na zeros. Itong example na ito ang tinatawag nating round up kasi nagdagdag tayo ng isa sa rounding digit. Therefore, 36,123 rounded off to the nearest 10,000. The answer is 40,000. Here is another example. Round off the number to the nearest thousands. So what to do? Sundin lamang ang rules or yung steps na na-discuss natin kanina and you will be fine. So, sa number na 45,284, alin ang i-round off natin? Ang sabi ay ang thousands. So, alin ang thousands place dito? Tama ang 5. Then, next, identify or look at the right digit of the rounding number. Ano ang katabing number sa kanan ng 5? Tama ang 2. So since tayo ay mag-round down, ano ang mangyayari sa 5? Round down or wala tayong babaguhin sa 5. So we are just going to copy less than 5 or greater than 5 ba? And then what will happen? Tama. Ito ay mas mababa sa 5, kaya tayo ay mag-replace natin siya sa 0. So since 2, 8, 4, tatlo sila, so tatlong zeros din ang ating ipapalit. But oops! What will happen o ano ang mangyayari sa 4 dito? Since hindi naman siya kasama sa in-round off natin, kopyahin lang din natin siya dito bago ang 5. So therefore, 45,284 rounded to the nearest thousands, the answer is 45,000. And another example. So, round off again to the number to the nearest thousands. So, katulad kanina, alin ang nasa thousands place? Tama, it's 8. Then, ano ang katabing number sa kanan ng 8? 7. So, ang 7 ba ay mababa sa 5 or greater than 5? Tama. Greater than 5, so tayo ay mag-round up. Kapag tayo ay nag-round up, anong ginagawa natin? Tama, nag-a-add tayo ng 1 sa rounding digit. So, ang rounding digit natin ay 8. So, 8 plus 1 ay magiging 9. Then, ang 732 ay papalitan natin ng zeros. So again, what will happen to 1 o sa number sa kaliwa ng rounding digit? So ang 1, so hindi naman kasama si na round off kanina. So huwag kakalimutang isulat din ito sa tabi ng rounding digit or na round off na digit. So here it is. So therefore, 18,732 rounded to the nearest thousand, and the answer is 19,000. Ngayong alam nyo na kung paano mag-round off, let's try to solve this. Round off the underlying digit of the following numbers. Timer starts now. Time's up! Let's see the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, children! Remember, rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. In rounding numbers, look at the right of the rounding digit. If the number at the right of the rounding digit is less than 5, retain the digit in the rounding place and replace all the digits to its right with zeros. If the number at the right of the rounding digit is 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the digit in the rounding place and replace all the digits to its right with zeros. Good job, kids! That ends our lesson for today. And once again, I am MaamCee. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button to get notified for my latest videos. Bye!